Okay, hey, I have here a very good question from a new viewer, right? I believe he is also from South Africa. I see that this is a question with two parts for me to answer. So the first part, let me clear up this myth, okay? This misunderstanding, right? Especially for beginners, thinking that any of the social media account that one has, that is there are a lot of followers, right? Means that you are going to make a lot of profit in whatever that you are going to sell. Well, the thing is, this is not true, right? This is not true. There are many accounts with a lot of followers. They are actually making less profits than accounts that has a lot less, many times less followers than those type of big accounts. Because fundamentally, you have to understand in terms of I would say that what you meant about having profits, right? It will be to create income by using the internet, and specifically, it's about using the social media to create, right, multiple sources of income. So on that note, right, it's more of you knowing how to do marketing and very well at it. That is how you are able to successfully convert, right, even a small amount of followings to become your customer. So this is also why I have explained earlier on that doesn't mean that someone with a big following, they will make a lot of profit. That's not true at all, because they may not have a marketing mindset. So they do not know how to actually convert at the back end with such a large amount of followers. Okay, so this is part number one. I hope I help to clarify, right? The point about having a lot of followers means you're going to make big profits. The answer is no. That is not true at all. It is a case by case basis. It's more about your marketing effort and how precise are your marketing effort to your targeted potential customers. Next part, I would like to explain to you that in regards to especially for beginners, right, you always have the kind of fear that because you are new, right, and your social media account, right, when you started off with, you don't have much followers to begin with, or even zero followers to begin with, right? Now, to let you have a peace of mind that every one of us, right, before we even start to make, income using our social media channels, right? All of us begin with zero followers, isn't it? Including myself and a lot of people out there as well. So that's the thing, that it requires you how you can bit by bit, right, with your consistent effort and not giving up attitude, right, that you continue to learn, and the more you learn and you actually proceed, right, and very focused in taking actions with what you learn. For example, learning about what actually is online marketing, right? What does it involve in terms of the action when it comes to marketing in the social media? So these are things that you have to equip yourself with, this kind of business skill sets, using your social media channels, right? So bit by bit, right, and after you learn, you take a lot of actions, and definitely the followers will come, right, and more of them will follow you. And the key to make that happen, or right, in the first place, is your content that you are going to publish in your social media channels, whichever one that you prefer. You don't have to restrict yourself to just to stay in TikTok, right? Okay, so the thing is that your content must have values to your potential customers, right? Okay, that means it must be able to be more precise, to let you understand is it your content, right, must be able to help them to solve some problems in their lifestyle. Okay, so because you are able to position yourself that you are able to help them to solve certain problems related to them in their lifestyle, right, that is why subsequently products or services that you have chosen to market, right, in fact is related to these things, are going to help them, right, in their lifestyle to solve their kind of specific problems, right? They will start to pay. They will listen to your recommendations. So this is the relationship, right, with your potential customers. Your value adding content, providing them, right, guidance, to help them out, right, to solve a specific problem in their lifestyle. So when you are able to do that and you are doing it very consistently, right, for example, I'm a good example for you to observe. So what am I doing here is that I am trying to help you, right, to give you some guidance, right, through my video that I specially make for you, right? So in that context, you learn something from my video, and then I help you to clarify certain things, right, which you are actually having doubts in, right? So in view of that, so probably I have some solutions, right, or I have some kind of services, right, or some kind of training, whatever, that I'm actually also marketing it, right? So sometime down the road, you may think that, hey, why not I will pay for this kind of services as well from from Canfu, right? So this is how this thing works, right? I hope this explanation is clear enough for you as a beginner, right? So, but nonetheless, you can continue to comment, or you can choose to DM me, right, for your other questions, right? And I will see how I can answer to that to my best ability to further guide you, right, along your learning journey in using the internet to create multiple sources of income. Okay, so I will see you in my next video update.